Dubai is building a massive moon resort. When one hears the phrase moon resort, it might conjure up visions of extravagant accommodations that require space travel via rockets, something that may not be achievable for decades or even centuries from now. However, Moon World Resorts Inc., a company based in Canada, has proposed a new concept that brings this idea a bit closer to reality. You can simply travel to Dubai, and you won't have to wait for decades to experience it. The project, called Moon, envisions a 735-foot-tall mixed-use building that mimics the appearance of Earth's natural satellite. Similar to the Epcot globe at Disney World, the design of Moon is hyper-realistic, and the developers are presently in negotiations to bring the project to 4 different locations globally, with the first one expected to be built in Dubai. Although official plans are yet to be finalized, the company's founders are hopeful. Moon can be built from an architectural, engineering, and design standpoint, says Michael R. Henderson, one of Moon's co-founders, in an interview with AD. Upon entering Moon, visitors will discover a complete destination resort that offers about 300 private residences for sale. On their social media, blueprints also display designs for a range of amenities, such as a nightclub, spa, retail space, event center, and piano lounge. Nevertheless, the central feature of the establishment is not a standard hotel room or dance floor, but a simulation of the lunar surface that offers guests an authentic experience of space exploration. Moon will form the bridge, delivering an affordable and entirely authentic space tourism experience millions of enthusiasts around planet Earth have been patiently waiting for, says Henderson. The corporation also aspires to establish Moon as a legitimate training facility for multiple space agencies. Constructing the ambitious Moon project will require an investment of a whopping $5 billion. This expensive but highly desirable resort in space is expected to become a reality due to an increasing interest in space tourism. If the project is successful, it will be built to LEED Gold 5-star standards. This destination will require major, global corporations with the capability to fund such a project. In 2000, co-founders Henderson and Sandra G. Matthews established Moon World Resorts Inc., at the same time that other companies in the private space exploration industry, such as Blue Origin, SpaceX, and Virgin Galactic, were being founded. Space tourism was just beginning to be conceptualized at that time, and Moon World Resorts Inc. has been working hard to make it a reality ever since. The company has a major advantage in its marketing strategy, the largest billboard ever created, the Moon itself.